Good morning, all of you. Today we will study about law of segregation. Mendel's proposed three laws. Number first law of dominance, and second, law of segregation, or and third law of independent assortment. Let's start second law, Mendel's second law of segregation. According to the law of segregation, the two alleles of a gene remain separate in the F1 generation, first filial generation, and do not show any expression separately at the time of gamete formation. The two alleles separate and pass into different gametes. Therefore, the parents have two alleles of a gene during gamete formation, but each gamete has only a single copy of gene. As a result, cell may be either pure or hybrid. Therefore, the term law of purity of gametes is used to describe the law of segregation. Mendel said that individual may be hybrid, but gametes are never hybrid. Parents generation, pure tall plant, pure dwarf plant cross each other. F1 generation produces all tall hybrid plants, and further in F2 generation, according to Mendel's principle of law of segregation, first filial generation, all tall hybrid plant, and F2 generation, one pure tall and one pure dwarf, and two hybrid tall plants. As a result of law of segregation, two types of gametes are produced in F1 generation as in the form of 3:1 ratio. 3:1 is a typical monohybrid ratio. 3:1. The common example is Mendel crossed a pea variety having round seeds, capital R, with another variety possessing wrinkled seeds, small r. In this cross, the two parents varieties individual in cross differ from each other for a single character such as seed shape. Here capital R stands for dominant round shape of seed, where small r stands for recessive wrinkled seeds. Mendel's this law is also known as law of purity of gametes. This is because gametes become segregate in F2 generation, second filial generation. That's why this law is called law of segregation. Mendel's first law law of dominance, dominant character are shown in F1 generation, and Mendel's second law, law of segregation, law of is also known as law purity of gametes, law of purity of gametes. In F2 generation, gametes in pure. So Mendel's proposed second law, law of segregation. It is important to know the gametes are never hybrid. Individual may be hybrid, but gametes never hybrid.